In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively communicate with Udemy's customer support through email. Whether you're facing technical difficulties, account-related issues, or have specific inquiries, reaching out to Udemy directly can often be the best route to take to get the assistance you need. Our journey begins at the very first step, which involves visiting the Udemy website. Once there, you'll notice a login button located at the top right corner of the home page. Clicking on this will take you towards the login gateway where you can choose your preferred method of signing in. For many of us, using our Google accounts to log into various services is second nature due to its convenience. So it's no surprise that Udemy offers this option as well. You'll see a Google icon among the login options. In fact, it's hard to miss. Click on it and you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to use for logging in. This part is straightforward. Just select the account you have previously linked to your Udemy profile or the one you wish to link. Upon successful login, the next step involves navigating to a somewhat less obvious part of the site. You'll want to find and hover over your profile photo, which is also located at the top right corner of the screen, just like the login button was. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear. Among the various options here, you're looking for Help and Support. Go ahead and click on that. The Help and Support section is comprehensive and covers a broad spectrum of FAQs and guides. However, for personalized assistance, we need to dive a bit deeper. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of this section until you find a link that says Contact Us. This is your gateway to direct communication with Udemy's support team. Once you've clicked on Contact Us, you'll be redirected to a page that provides different options for various inquiries. Since we're focusing on how to reach their support team, look for a section titled Learners, and within that you'll find a prompt suggesting how to reach our support team. Clicking on this will guide you further into the process. The path to getting personalized help involves filling out a form where you can detail the nature of your concern or query. Look for a link that says Form, which takes you directly to where you can submit a ticket to Udemy's support team. This ticket system is designed for you to detail your issue as much as possible, so don't hold back. The more information you provide, the easier it will be for the support team to assist you effectively. When crafting your message to the support team, it's beneficial to be as clear and concise as possible. Include any relevant details or screenshots that could help in diagnosing the issue. Once satisfied with your submission, send it off, and Udemy's team will get back to you as per their response timeframes. For specific cases, such as instances of intellectual property infringement, Udemy provides a direct email address, takedowns@udemy.com. This is especially useful for content creators or rights holders who need to address copyright concerns directly with Udemy's legal team. By following these steps, you will have successfully reached out to Udemy's customer support for assistance. Remember, the key to a quick resolution is providing clear, detailed information about your issue. Udemy's support team is there to help, so don't hesitate to contact them for any assistance you need with your account or courses. And there you have it. You're now well equipped to navigate the process of reaching out to Udemy's support team. Whether it's for technical support, account issues, or intellectual property concerns, know that help is just a few clicks away. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful guides and tips.